Hi guys, my name is Maria and I'm glad to see you on my YouTube channel. Please join my channel, press these thumbs ups, and of course I wish you profits guys. I'm here to share my ideas with you, and today it will be Brent, United States dollar with the Canadian dollar, and euro with the Canadian dollar. This week we are waiting for some news from from oil market. We are waiting for some news from Bank of Canada, and I think this will be a really good period to trade Canadian dollar, to trade it will be okay to trade Mexican peso as well, Russian ruble, so all the currencies that are dependent on oil. That is my idea. Now I will show you some technical situations that I think are good to trade today. Let's start with the United States dollar vs Canadian dollar, and of course join my channel. Press thumbs up right now. Thank you. Okay, for Canadian dollar, short idea for this currency is that I would like to sell this currency pair under 1.39, under 1.3950 on 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. When market breaks down the 200 moving average, exponential moving average 200, when it breaks down, the target is 1.3640, 1.3630, somewhere like that. When you see the breakdown of this area, it will be a moment to sell with this target. If being short, well, that's an idea. If you need me to be more into this idea, to discuss it with you in details, well, here we go. Here is what I think is a good opportunity to sell under this level. Here is a horizontal Kijun on day chart, and this is a good level that markets fills. If we see market trying to break it down but not breaking down, this will be a moment for price to go up. I'm not discussing now how far it will go up. Will it go to 140, 141, or 142, or 146? I don't discuss that. I only discuss now this level. If you see the breakdown of this level of support, the price will go to 136.30. If you see on day chart from here the signal to buy, and I will recognize this signal on daily chart, maybe like on Tuesday, Thursday next week. If we see during this week a signal to buy from here, it will be a good moment to buy it. Well, I will discuss later how far. But if you see the breakdown, so the price goes under 139, it will be a moment to sell. Okay, about Brent oil, what I like for Brent oil, it's right here, is to work with the levels 32, 30, 35. By the way, I would like to remind you about my trading club. I do have trading club for people who want to get daily signals, daily trading ideas. Those are not like signals every moment for all currencies or for Brent or for gold all the day. I'm trying to find 1-2 ideas that will be good to trade today for the market, but it's not like you should sell right now or you should buy. I'm showing you an opportunity. I'm showing you the technical situation for the market, and you decide to enter it or not to enter if my idea is close to your trading idea. Okay, I'm not trying to push you into the market. I'm only trying to share technical situation that is more profitable, and you decide when you enter or you do not enter. Okay, so that's what I do for trading club in Russia. That is what I do for traders in English trading club. Yes, and all of the details about that you can find under this video. Okay, about the Brent oil. When you see price going above $32 per barrel, you should buy with a target as a retest of this tendency line. If you see price being above $32 per barrel, it is a moment to buy with a target like 34, 50, 35. So as a retest of this tendency line, okay? From here, if it's all good, we see the moment to sell. under 32, it is okay to sell with the target 30 on 1 hour chart, but I'm not sure. Because I had actually I had to discuss with my traders colleagues the situation, which level is more important, 30 or 31. I'm still trying to hold an idea that 30 is more important. I can't say that this is like 100% level, the 30 level, but that is something that I'm going to use and to follow the level 30, and from here potentially to go up to 32. Well, yeah, okay, if you see the price being above 32, it is a moment to buy with the target as a retest of this tendency line, and from here to sell, but only if you get signal to sell, like that, you see? Price touching this level and going under this level. On 1 hour chart, you see a big push from the upper side. So this is like a signal for you that price can't go further up. It will try to go down. If you see the breakdown of 35, guys, this will be a moment to buy with the target 40. That is an idea for further, maybe week, maybe 2 weeks for this instrument. And about euro Canadian dollar, my idea on daily chart is like that. Under 1.53, it is okay to sell with a target 1.50. It is still good. It is still a good idea, but only until the price is being under 1.53. If you see price going above 1.53, do not sell. Also, on 1 hour chart, I can share with you an idea like when to enter market. While you sit and wait. You sit and wait. When you see the breakdown of 1.52, you sell. If you see the breakdown of this tendency line, it takes beginning on April 9th. This tendency line, under this tendency line, you also go short. You sell. So yes, this is something that I am going to work on. It's not like I just start this trading week and I sell right away. I will wait. I'm being really careful about all my trading ideas because it's all not for free. It all costs money. You enter market that no one will give you back if you do a wrong trade. So yeah, I would do what? I would wait while I see the breakdown of this tendency line. When I see close price being under this tendency line, I will search on 15-minute chart, on 5 minutes chart, how strong this way down is right now. And if I see that there is no one trying to buy the currency pair on 5 minutes chart, on 15 minutes chart, no one is trying to buy it, I will try to enter market with a short position with a stop loss behind the last extremum. This is an extremum. This is an extremum, like the point where price breaks the previous way. So yeah, and that is like a moment to sell with the target 1.52. Near 1.52, you have to watch market, because here price will try to stop. That was a good level of support for the whole last week. April 6th, April 7th, April 9th. That was a really good level of support. So yeah, here you watch, you wait. When you see the breakdown, after that you sell. But what you can see, the price breaks this level, you sell, you earn some like 40, 30 points, you earn it. From here, price going up, it gives like a retest to this tendency line, and from here it may go down again, okay? And from the second time it will break down 1.52, and after that you sell with the target 1.50. I hope that was understandable for this currency pair, because I give you here a total idea for the market. But of course, if you want to enter market, you need to have a trading strategy. And what do? You go on 5 minutes chart, on 15 minutes chart, and you you're trying to enter market with the shortest stop loss, with the, like the best conditions. If you do work on daily charts, so you have I think a big deposit, and you have a possibility to enter market and to wait 1 day, 2 days. So you don't care about all these intraday movements. But mostly people who are watching videos on YouTube and trying to find someone who will help them to enter market and to earn money, those people do work intraday. And for you guys, I'm trying to explain the situation as close as possible. If you have questions for those instruments, for Brent, for Canadian dollar, for Euro Canadian dollar, please ask them in comments. If you have questions for other instruments, this will be like an idea for my next video. Okay, thank you very much for your questions, and thank you very much for your interest in my project. Please press these fingers, and of course join my channel and press the bell so you don't miss my next video, guys. Please do not work with these instruments on Monday, because on Monday there are a lot of countries who are on vacation. And what you should do, you should start to work from from Tuesday. There are some news from China, there are some news from Japan. That will be a moment to trade. And on Wednesday there are some news from Canada. So the best trading period for Canadian dollar will be on Wednesday, Thursday, and so on. I wish you profits, and of course thank you very much for your interest in my project, guys. See you later. If you have questions, ask them under the video. Bye, profits to you.